Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to care for your Kochia plant. First, choose a sunny spot in your garden where it can receive at least 6 hours of direct sunlight each day. Kochia prefers well-draining soil, so ensure your planting area is prepared. Plant the seeds directly into the ground after the danger of the last frost has passed, spacing them about 18 to 24 inches apart to give them room to flourish. Once planted, consistent watering is key, especially for young Kochia plants. Keep the soil evenly moist, but be careful not to overwater, as this can lead to root rot, particularly in more mature plants. Kochia isn't a heavy feeder, so a light application of a balanced liquid fertilizer every 4 to 6 weeks during the growing season is usually sufficient to support its vibrant foliage. Pruning your Kochia plant helps maintain its neat, bushy shape and can encourage denser growth. Simply trim back any unruly branches to achieve your desired form. Also, keep an eye out for any yellowing or damaged leaves and remove them promptly to keep your plant healthy. Regularly inspect your Kochia for common pests, such as spider mites, and address any infestations quickly. As an annual, Kochia typically completes its life cycle and dies back with the first hard frost. Before this happens, you can collect seeds from mature plants to sow for the following season, ensuring you have beautiful Kochia again. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This allows you to enjoy your favorite books wherever you go, even while tending your garden.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.